The OnePlus Nord series has always been about delivering flagship-like experiences at a more accessible price. And now, in 2026, OnePlus is back again with the brand new OnePlus Nord 6. Packed with a powerful Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 chipset, a massive battery, and a high refresh rate display, this phone is aiming to redefine what a mid-range smartphone can offer. But is it actually worth your money? Let's take a closer look at the OnePlus Nord 6. Starting with the design, the OnePlus Nord 6 comes with a clean and modern look. It features a glass front protected by OnePlus Crystal Guard, paired with a plastic frame and plastic back. The phone measures 8.5 millimeters in thickness and weighs around 210 grams, giving it a solid feel in the hand. It also comes with IP68 and IP69 certification, meaning it's dust-tight and can withstand high-pressure water, even submersion up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. On top of that, it supports dual nano SIM, making it practical for everyday use. Moving to the display, the OnePlus Nord 6 features a 6.78-inch AMOLED panel with 1 billion colors. It supports a 165 Hz refresh rate, making scrolling and animations feel incredibly smooth. There's also HDR10 Plus support, along with brightness levels reaching up to 3600 nits peak. With a resolution of 1272 by 2772 pixels and around 450 ppi, the display looks sharp and vibrant, perfect for watching videos or gaming. For the camera setup, the OnePlus Nord 6 comes with a dual rear camera system. The main camera is a 50-megapixel sensor with an f1.8 aperture, equipped with PDAF and OIS for better stability. There's also an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera with a 112-degree field of view. On the front, you get a 32-megapixel selfie camera, capable of capturing sharp and detailed photos. For video, both front and rear cameras support up to 4K at 30 FPS with gyro EIS for smoother footage. Now let's talk about performance. This is where the OnePlus Nord 6 really stands out. It is powered by the Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 chipset, built on a 4nm process. Combined with up to 12 gigabytes of RAM and UFS 4.1 storage, this phone is more than capable of handling heavy multitasking and gaming. The CPU setup includes high-performance Cortex-X4 cores and Cortex-A720 cores, paired with the Adreno 825 GPU, delivering strong graphics performance. Battery is another strong point of the OnePlus Nord 6. Globally, it comes with a 7,500 mAh battery, while the India variant even reaches 9,000 milliamps. It supports 80-watt wired charging, along with advanced charging protocols like UFCS and PPS. There's also reverse wired charging and bypass charging for better thermal control during gaming. In terms of features, the OnePlus Nord 6 is well equipped. It includes stereo speakers, an under-display fingerprint sensor, and supports Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6.0. You also get NFC, infrared port, and advanced positioning systems like GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo. The OnePlus Nord 6 brings a powerful combination of performance, battery life, and display quality. It's a device that clearly pushes the boundaries of what we expect from a mid-range smartphone in 2026. While it may not be perfect, it definitely offers a compelling package for those looking for performance and endurance in one device. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.